Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
You are going to love the 2022 RDX. The RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: moonroof, turbocharged, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, front wheel drive. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
9 convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.